Imagine waking up to your home surrounded by flames. Terrie Morin and her husband were at a barber shop when they found out about the wildfire near their home in Camarillo, California. Despite the warning, the couple had a frantic race to save their guests and pets. The fire, driven by strong winds, quickly consumed over 20,000 acres and forced thousands to flee. 132 homes destroyed, lives disrupted. The community faces immense loss, including treasured possessions. Authorities and brave residents face a battle against the fiery and unpredictable mountain fire. In the face of devastation, the spirit of community and resilience shines. Stay safe and informed.